Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Sylvia. If today is the first time you're just seeing my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you are subscribed before, thank you. God bless you. Today, Matana, one of our brother, when they live for Canada. So this is our brother can say he want go house, go bring a family come when they stay together. So they can't tell them, say before you go bring the family come, you need to go do DNA for the children to confirm, say yes, now you really get the children. So now you can tell your wife, say, see, so you can say no problem when they go. Now they can't reach hospital, they can't do the blood test as they do. Now doctor can tell the man, say, the first pikin not be your own, the second one not be your own, the third not be your own. So now this man can say, doctor, you serious? And the doctor tell him, say, yes, not be you not get anyone for these children. So now they can't reach us. So now you can ask this woman, say, you miss not be me get these children. He say the wife they look am. Now he asked the wife again, say, you miss not be me get these children. So say wife they look am. It's not the vaccination. Now he say beat the wife. He say now so they beat her, now so they beat her, now so they beat her, now so they beat her. He say they beat her so now 4 teeth for her mouth 4. He say now so 4 teeth. Say remove for her mouth. This woman you do. You know not be this man not be get these children. You get man, you follow this man, go hospital, they go do checkup. Madam, you feel keep person. You feel keep person. You see now so my people. You see now so he beat his wife, not be small beating. Say beat the old man, he beat her. So now so I thought to say remove for a man to my sister. You when they look me so this woman, she really deserve this beating when this man beat her. So women go just day. I don't even know why you just talk for this matter. Madam, you not just fear. If not now, one say be the man own. Say now one, the man say even get one for his side out of the 3. It was still even good for you yet. The 3 children, the 3 children, the man don't just get any one. And for this, so the man will they send money for Canada. When they give you go they chop her. You even feel bad now. Say the man will even get those children. So no one now just they one corner. Now just they enjoy this money. When this man when they Canada they bring come. This man just they Canada they just they suffer. All you hope is say he just get family for house. He get wife and children for house. You know say those children not be he get them. No one be own for himself. He just they send money come. Maybe they take care of these children. Madam, if I be that man, sister, I will tie your hand and I will flog you because you deserve it. You know what you do? You know what you do? You girls are not dead there. Imagine. Guys, okay, madam, if you and this your husband una not plan and una not settle am before the man come out say they go Canada, I don't see the reason why what he go make am come out leave you say he want go also say he want leave you for Nigeria go another country. I don't see the reason because una two don't plan am, una two don't reason am, una two don't sit down talk am. Now make the man get like say come out go another country go find money. All you hope be say you just get children. Madam, you do. Madam, you do. Now people like una, now they pressing people like una. Out of 3 children, the man not just get one. If the man will get one, he go still let people they hear for you. That man now just they come they wound you join house. If he give you belly finish, you will come call down when they Canada they tell and say, I don't get belly. This woman, you get mad though. You really get mad to do this act. You get mad. You get mad. That man we can't get these children. Now where the man can't there? Let me want know. Where that man can't there now? Where the man come dey, he go just stay one place now. If that one dey Canada bring money come, you now as the wife, as the mugu, when you be, you take for inside, you say go give that one now go say come see how you join house. What do you do so? No good at all. E no good. If now you be this man, if they do you this thing when you do this man, so how you go feel? How you go feel, madam? You need to reason. What do you do so? E no good at all. For man to say he wan carry a family wey dey Africa or Nigeria, any country when they dey, say he wan carry them come Europe. You know what that man don pass through before he go decide that thing. Any man when would tell you wife, maybe the man live for Africa, he go hustle. He can't talk, say one carry them, maybe they stay together. That man really love you. The man, he really love you. You don't respect that thing what that man do for you. The man go big money come for you. They take care of children when the man even the man not just know, he not even not be able get children when they take care of. He go send money come for you. The one when you come pay me pass, when you come shock me pass, you know say not be this man get children. You bath, you make up, you can't dress. Follow this man. Go do blood test for your children. This. My people, that front teeth when this man remove, so she deserve am. This woman, so this madam why they talk about so, she deserve it. Can you imagine? This is very shock. Now what I get to tell now, my people? Now what I get to tell now? When I say chook mouth put, when I say at this matter be so women and they are heartless. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.